In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest pin efficiently and effectively. Whether you're sharing a new recipe, a DIY project, or just some inspiration, getting your content out there on Pinterest is a great way to reach a wider audience. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can get started sharing your own ideas. First, you need to navigate to the Pinterest website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in pinterest.com in the address bar, then hit enter. Once the page loads, if you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. If you don't have a Pinterest account yet, you'll need to sign up for one. The process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions to get that set up. Once you're logged into Pinterest, look for the Create option, usually located at the top left of your homepage. Click on it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. What we're interested in today is creating a pin, so select Create Pin from the list. This is the start of how you'll get your content into the Pinterest universe. Now you'll be prompted to upload the image or video you'd like to pin. Click on the Upload button to browse for the file on your computer or device. Make sure it's an engaging and high-quality image that is likely to catch the eye of other Pinterest users. Once you've chosen your file, it might take a moment to upload depending on the size of the image and your internet speed. After your image is uploaded, it's time to give it a compelling title and description. This part is crucial because it helps others find your content through search. Think about what keywords someone might use if they were looking for content like yours, and try to naturally incorporate those into your title and description. The description should clearly explain what the image is and why it's valuable or interesting. You also have the option to add a link to your pin, which is a great way to drive traffic to your website or blog. Just paste the URL in the designated field and make sure it leads them to the correct page on your site related to the image. Next, you'll need to choose a board for your pin. If you have a suitable board already, select it from the list. If not, you might want to create a new board that's specific to this category of content. You can also add tags to your pin to increase its discoverability. Simply search for relevant tags and select the ones that best apply to your pin. Finally, once you've set everything up and you're happy with how it looks, click Create to publish your pin. Congratulations, your pin is now live and ready for the Pinterest world to see. Happy pinning!